Hello dear students. Today we are going to start our lessons about graphs. The first lesson for graphs is slope. The objective for this lesson is to identify slope using tables and graphs. What is meant by slope? The slope is the rate of change between any 2 points on a line. So if we have a graph here and this is the line between the x and y, the slope is the rate of change, is how the y changes over how the x changes. So the slope equals change in y over change in x. And change in y is the vertical change, while change in x is the horizontal change. So here in this graph, look at the change in y. If we take these 2 points, for example, this point and this one. So look at the change in y. Y here was 3. And it became 5. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. And the change in x, it was here 2 and it became here 3. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. So the slope here is 2 over 1 or 2. The slope tells how steep the line is. The vertical change is sometimes called rise. So the change in y is called rise. And the horizontal change, which is the change in x, is called run. So here we have a graph. So again, the slope equals rise over run, and the rise is the change in y, while run is the change in x. So as you see here in this graph, the rise here is from here to here. This is the rise, the blue arrow here. So the rise is, it was 1 and it became 4. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. And the run, where is the red arrow here, the run, it was 1 and it became 3. So the run is 2. So the slope is 3 over 2 for this line. An example. The table below shows the relationship between the number of seconds y it takes hear thunder after a lightning strike and the miles x you are from the lightning. Graph the data and find the slope. Explain what the slope represents. So here is the table and we want to graph it first. So we're going to graph it like this. Here's the point 0, 0, 1, 5, 2, 10, 3, 15, 4, 20, and 5, 25. This is the graph. After the graph, we want to get the slope. So we know that the slope is the rise over run, or the change in y over the change in x. The change in y is the blue dotted line here, and the change in x is the red dotted line. So here the slope is the change in y over change in x, and the change in y here, as you see, the y was 15, it became 25. So you will take any 2 points and you will take the difference in y coordinate for this 2 points. So it's 25 minus 15 equals 5, and the change in x is the red dotted line, which was 3 and became 5, so it's 5 minus 3. So it's equal to 10 over 2, where 10 is the seconds, 10 seconds, and 2 is the miles. And this is equals to 5 over 1 if we simplify it. So this means that for every 5 seconds between a lightning flash and the sound of thunder, there is 1 mile between you and the lightning strike. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and visit my Facebook page as shown here on the screen. Thank you. To the next video. Bye.